Rev-Trac's automated retrofitting capabilities and integration with SAP Cloud ALM streamlines the synchronization and traceability of change across support and project landscapes. By automating the cloning and retrofitting of changes and enabling full bi-directional visibility in the Cloud ALM feature, Rev-Trac ensures that changes across SAP environments are fully compliant and easily traceable. This capability reduces manual steps, prevents conflicts, and accelerates synchronized deployment, enabling teams to maintain control and alignment between support and project landscapes. In this demonstration, we'll be using Rev-Trac to migrate a change through an ECC landscape consisting an ED1, EQ1, and EP1 system. When we deploy our change to the EP1 production system, we'll use Rev-Trac to clone this request with the intention of retrofitting our change to our S4HANA project track, containing an ED2 and EQ2 system. At the same time, we will create a Cloud ALM feature to align with this S4HANA change that will start in the status of in specification. Once Rev-Trac successfully retrofits this compatible change, the feature will update to deployed, allowing full traceability in the Cloud ALM feature. We are going to begin this demonstration at the point where our change is ready for production deployment. Before we've arrived at this stage, we've created a Rev-Trac request number 2109. We've added a transport ending in 1612 to this request using Rev-Trac's enforcement, and we have migrated this change using a workflow according to this project type, which includes a code review step, migration to QA, and testing complete approval step, all while running safety checks and logging actions in an audit trail. Now that we've set the scene, I'm going to show you how we will deploy this change to production, and simultaneously, we will retrofit this change into our S4HANA system and create a Cloud ALM feature for full traceability of S4HANA changes. Now, I'm going to deploy this change to production. I'll proceed with migrating this change to our EP1 system, which is our ECC production system. We see some safety checks before moving forward, and now I'll sign and approve this change. Let's head to our transport logs and see that the deployment has been successful. And back in Rev-Trac, upon completion, the status updates to complete. This status change happens automatically as Rev-Trac verifies the return codes and automatically signifies a successful outcome and a complete change for the business. Heading to the References tab, we can see that this change has been cloned as Rev-Trac request 2110 for our S4HANA system, now in the new status and ready for retrofitting into our S4HANA development and quality systems. This automatic cloning facilitates dual landscape synchronization, preventing errors and ensuring alignment between support and project tracks. Before proceeding with the retrofit, let's view the SAP Cloud ALM tab, where a Cloud ALM feature has automatically been created for traceability. Rev-Trac's bi-directional integration with Cloud ALM ensures all relevant change information is instantly accessible for end-to-end traceability. Here, we see the UUID and feature ID 6-812, with a link directly to the feature in SAP Cloud ALM. Clicking this link brings us to Cloud ALM, where the feature status is in specification. Under the transport section, we can see a link has been added back to our Rev-Trac request, number 2110, allowing us to navigate back to the Rev-Trac request if required. This bi-directional visibility ensures that all stakeholders have up-to-date insights on change statuses and dependencies, significantly enhancing collaboration. Back in the Technical tab, we see the transport from our original ECC change. I'll now perform the retrofit to S4HANA. Rev-Trac's automated retrofitting makes it easy to reapply changes in different environments, ensuring synchronization across SAP landscapes. This retrofit will go to ED2 and EQ2, part of our S4HANA project track. As I proceed, additional safety checks are conducted. If this change was in conflict with code in development in S4HANA, or triggered negative results for the ABAP Test Cockpit or S4HANA readiness checks, these will be flagged. Fortunately, this change is fully compatible with S4HANA, so the migration can continue smoothly. After signing and approving, the status changes to blue, indicating that the retrofit is in progress. We can head to the transport logs to see this migration in action, which we can now see has successfully retrofitted into our ED2 system and EQ2 system. And back in Rev-Trac, after refreshing our screen, we see the retrofit is successful, with everything marked in green. Rev-Trac's clear status indicators allow teams to confirm success at a glance, saving time and reducing uncertainty. Returning to Cloud ALM, I'll refresh the feature view and see that the status has now changed to deployed, confirming our retrofit success. This update ensures that all SAP Cloud ALM stakeholders have a real-time view of deployment status, enhancing accountability and tracking. Finally, in our analytics section, we can view our feature traceability report. As we make changes in S/4HANA, maintaining full traceability and auditability is key. Here, we see our feature ID 6-812, which has been deployed, demonstrating comprehensive traceability of our S/4HANA changes, all made possible with Rev-Trac. Rev-Trac's automation and integration with SAP Cloud ALM delivers an end-to-end solution for managing retrofits with ease, enhancing traceability and ensuring compliance across SAP environments. If you would like to learn more about how Rev-Trac can simplify complex SAP change management processes or explore other features, reach out to us at revtrac.com.